Did you know that there are tanks of flesh-eating beetles in the basement of the Natural History Museum? But why would a museum have a colony of flesh-eating beetles in it? Well, it's all about preserving bones for research and doing it in a way that keeps every detail of that skeleton intact. You see, when scientists want to study an animal skeleton, whether it's a bird from the 1800s or a bat from a really remote island, they need it completely clean. The flesh, the skin, the tissue, all of this can hide tiny features or damage the bone over time. Think about meat that you leave out in the fridge. Eventually it will go rotten. In the past, museums used harsh chemicals like hydrogen peroxide or carbon tetrachloride, but there's a big problem because these chemicals would seep into the bone, making it brittle, and they would destroy collagen and other molecular data. And that means that scientists can't use those bones to study the animal's diet, its age, its growth, or even extract DNA. That is where the beetles come in. They remove flesh without altering the bone in any way. And they are really good at hiding in lots of different places, so delicate beaks, tiny ear bones, places that humans couldn't reach. Their whole job is to eat flesh, and so they will literally clean the skeleton until it's just bones. And by having a clean skeleton left behind, researchers learn loads about the animal's health, its habitat, and even discover new species from those preserved skeletal features. Now, it doesn't just stop when the beetles have finished their food. Once it's clean, these skeletons are frozen to make sure that no beetles hitch a ride into the museum itself, and they're then stored in collections that scientists from all over the world can visit. Why go to all the effort of cleaning all of these bones when museums already have a lot of skeletons on display? Well, that's because museums are not just about showing skeletons. They are actually active research places. By comparing bones that have been collected decades apart, scientists can track how a species has changed over time, how pollution affects wildlife, and how animals adapt to climate shifts. So those beetles in the bug room are not just doing the good work, they are preserving history, and they're allowing scientists to compare all the morphological features of lots of species over time.